Hey, it's Leanne Peard here, and I know you're super excited to hear what I have to say. Look, we all know how important it is to build a social media following, especially today after COVID-19. And I also know that you need to attract people and followers to your business and to your profiles, and that you have to be posting content every day on a multitude of different social media platforms. You really need to be seen everywhere today in order to generate leads and sales. And how is that possible when we're also busy doing life and doing our business, jobs and things that come up every day? It can be quite daunting, and it takes time to plan out your content calendar and build a strategy that will actually generate these leads and sales and put money back into your business. I know I deal with this every day with my clients and my social media students. With my experience, the one problem that the small to medium business sector has, or business owners like you, is the fact that you don't know where to start. It can be so overwhelming, and you can actually find it difficult to know what content to create and what content is actually going to give you a return on your investment. Maybe the creation part is not that difficult to you. However, planning content that is going to give you a return on your investment and build a following is and can be quite difficult. That is why I've created the 3-minute social media content strategy system. Literally in just 3 minutes, you will have all your content created and posted to your social media sites in 3 easy steps. Let me show you how. All you need to do is copy the pre-created content that I have for you on an amazing Trello board. All you need to do is fill in the blanks with your business details. And then 3, you paste it onto the social media sites. Now, if you want to add a video or an image, it may take you 1 or 2 minutes longer. However, you will be able to do all this within 3 minutes on my content planning system. I have created this so that it takes the frustration out of your day and the overwhelm on what to create for your social media postings. It's designed to suit that busy business owner that really just doesn't know where to start, and often might be outsourcing their content to somebody who doesn't know your business as well as you do. This system gives you 183 days of content that you can schedule in advance or post daily, depending on what your strategy or your structure in your business is like. The system is delivered to you on a Trello board. And if you don't know what a Trello board is, don't worry, I've got you covered. I'll show you exactly how to set up a Trello board and how to use it in your business. Don't stress about what you're going to post from now on. Today, you can access this 3-minute content planning strategy system for less than 14 cents a day. Yeah, I said that, 14 cents a day. And also I'm giving you a number of amazing bonuses. So just check out what those bonuses are below here on this sales page. And hopefully I'll see you in the membership area really soon. This system gives you complete control over your social media posting, over generating leads, and exactly what you want to portray your business and your brand as. Thanks for joining me. My name's Leanne Peard, social media educator, best educator award winner for 2019 in Australia, New Zealand, and the Pacific. See you soon.